If this is the year you finally want to get serious about getting fit, then working out at home makes it a lot easier to stay consistent. And one of the simplest ways to do that is with a good set of dumbbells. You don't have to run to the gym or train on bulky machines. Just grab them and start moving. Dumbbells are perfect for building strength, burning calories, and fitting quick workouts into your day. So in this video, I'm going through the 8 best dumbbells for your home gym to help you kick off your New Year fitness goals and actually stick with them. You'll find links to the best prices for all the dumbbells mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these dumbbells aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 8 is the cap-coated hex set with rack. These are the most budget-friendly dumbbells on our list. This is the set you grab when you want everything done in one shot. You can have pairs from 5 all the way up to 25 pounds. And a vertical A-frame rack, so you're not stacking weights all over the floor. It saves space and keeps things neat, which matters in a small room or garage. The dumbbells have rubber-coated 12-sided heads. That helps protect your floor and keeps them from rolling away. The handles are solid steel with medium knurling, so they're easy to grip without feeling sharp. They feel basic, but in a good way. The rack itself is steel with a black powder coat. It stores the dumbbells upright, and the rubber inserts help prevent scratches on both the rack and the weights. The setup is simple too, and grabbing weights feels quick and easy. Overall, this is a straightforward and space-saving way to get a full range of dumbbells without spending a lot. Number 7 is the Titan Loadable Olympic Dumbbell Handles. These are the best loadable dumbbells on our list. If you already own Olympic plates, these dumbbells make sense. These are bare handles that let you build your own dumbbells instead of buying a full rack that eats space and money. Each handle is 20 inches long with 6.5 inches of loadable sleeve space. Titan rates them for up to 400 pounds per handle, which is way more than most people will ever need. The grip is solid. You're going to have a 28mm shaft with medium knurling, so your hands don't slip, but it's not rough or painful. The sleeves spin smoothly due to bronze bushings, which help when you're pressing or rowing and don't want the plates fighting your wrists. Plus, they're made from rust-resistant steel with a chrome finish, so they feel tough and gym-ready. Each handle weighs about 12 pounds, so even lighter setups still feel balanced. Overall, this is a smart, space-saving way to turn plates that you already own into a flexible dumbbell set. Number 6 is the Core Home Fitness Adjustable Set. These are the best adjustable dumbbells on our list. If you want something simple that doesn't eat up your space, this set is easy to live with. Each dumbbell goes from 5 to 50 pounds, and you change the weight by twisting the handle while it sits in the cradle. You can also do it with one hand, and there's a clear click, so you know it's locked in. What I like is how normal they feel. There's no cage around your hand, so presses, rows, and curls feel closer to a regular gym dumbbell. The heads are mostly round but have flat spots, so they don't roll away when you set them down. The handle has a soft, textured grip. It's not knurled steel, but it's comfortable and secure, especially for longer workouts. The whole design is compact, so you can slide these into a corner or under a bench when you're done. They also come with a 2-year parts warranty, which adds some peace of mind. Overall, this set gives you fast weight changes, saves space, and covers most strength needs without making things complicated. Number 5 is the Eleiko Evo Dumbbells. These are the best rotating dumbbells on our list. If you've ever lifted and felt the dumbbell fight your wrist, then these would feel different. These dumbbells have smooth, rotating handles. The heads stay still while the grip spins, so moves like presses, rows, or even fast lifts feel easier on your joints. The handle is stainless steel with solid knurling, so it grips well without tearing up your hands. It's also a comfortable size, not too thick, not too skinny. The heads have a multi-sided shape, so they don't roll away when you set them down. Plus, these are durable and use tough materials and a coated finish that helps protect the dumbbells over time. Overall, this is a high-end, smooth-spinning dumbbell made for lifters who care about feel, control, and long-term quality. And if you want to know the latest prices for the dumbbells discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Repi Fitness Quick Draw Adjustable Dumbbell. These are the best dumbbells for home on our list. If you're short on space but want real gym-style weights, this set is worth a look. One pair of these dumbbells replaces a whole rack of dumbbells, since you can get them in ranges like 5 to 30, 40, 50, or all the way up to 60 pounds. Just flip the steel switches and the weight locks in with a solid click. They also come with 2.5-pound microplates, so you can make small jumps instead of big ones. That's great if you're trying to slowly get stronger. The handle has deep knurling, so it feels grippy even with sweaty hands. And the dumbbells are made from metal with steel support rods, which is why they're known for taking drops without falling apart. Eleiko even backs them with a lifetime warranty for defects, which is rare for adjustable dumbbells. Overall, this is a tough, fast-changing dumbbell set that saves space and feels built for long-term home workouts. Number 3 is the Repi rubber-coated Hex. These are the best dumbbells for garage gyms on our list. If you lift in a garage, you already know the struggle. Cold hands, dropped weights, and gear that takes a beating. Now, these dumbbells are exactly for that life. They use low-odor rubber, so your space doesn't smell like a tire shop, and the hex shape keeps them from rolling away when you set them down. The handle is fully knurled, not half done, so your grip stays locked in even when your hands get sweaty. And the lighter weights use a thinner handle, the heavier ones get a thicker grip, which feels better when you're moving real weight. The heads are welded and press-fit to the handle, so everything feels tight and solid. Plus, these are more compact than a lot of rubber dumbbells. They don't feel bulky, even at higher weights, and since the rubber covers the heads, they're easier on your floor and your equipment. Overall, these dumbbells are tough, grippy, and practical, which is exactly what most garage gym setups really need. Number 2 is the PowerBlock Pro 100 EXP dumbbells. These are the best value for money dumbbells on our list. These dumbbells grow with you. You start light, around 5 pounds, and you can build all the way up to 100 pounds per hand using the included expansion stages. Adjusting them is simple. You slide in a magnetic pin, and that's it. It locks in strong, rated to hold way more weight than you'll ever lift. You can move in small steps too, like 2.5 or 5 pounds, which is great when you don't want huge jumps. And the build is solid steel, and PowerBlock has been around forever, so these are made to last. And if you look at the handle, it's thicker with a grippy rubber feel, which stays comfortable even during longer sets. The cage-style design does look different, but it keeps everything compact and balanced. You can also turn this into a full setup later. It works with straight bars, curl bars, kettlebell handles, and stands if you want to expand your home gym. Dustin wrote, "Extremely useful. The high weight options will let us grow for a long time. Love that they don't roll around, and they are super easy to change weights. We were first concerned that our wrists would hit the sides, but we haven't run into any issues. Overall, this set gives you a ton of weight range, long-term durability, and flexibility without wasting money on upgrades later." Number 1 is the Snowed AD80 adjustable dumbbells. These are the best overall dumbbells on our list. This set is for people who want real gym vibes at home without filling the room with loose plates. You're going to have one pair of adjustable dumbbells, and each one can jump from 10 all the way up to 80 pounds. Just turn the dial, and both sides adjust at the same time, which saves a ton of time mid-workout. Plus, these are very solid. Almost everything is made of cast iron, including the plates and even the cradle they sit in. That's rare. The handle and first plate are built together, so there's no shaking or rattling when you lift, and the design keeps the plates locked in, so nothing slides or falls off while you're moving. The dumbbells also get shorter when you use lighter weight, which sounds small, but it makes curls, presses, and rows feel way more natural. The handle also has a grippy, knurled feel and a slightly thicker size that feels secure in your hand. Isaiah wrote, "Grade A, just what I was looking for. These feel super natural, just like a regular dumbbell. The adjustment toggle makes it quick and easy to use. Great product overall." Overall, this set balances strength, speed, and durability in a way that makes home workouts feel simple and serious at the same time. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect dumbbell. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each dumbbell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.